Good morning YouTube, what's up? We are in the northern part of Singapore in a place called Mandai. You've heard me say this word before, yup. So if you're familiar, you've seen the bird park videos. We are at the zoo. We are at the zoo and we'll be spending a day making sketches. There's the river safari here also. The night safari that opens after 6 p.m. and at some point we know that the bird park will be moving over to this area. Check out this space that's under construction right now. A lot of changes in this area as they're prepping up the bird park and just having the 4 parks in this one area. I'm really excited about today. It's been a while since I've been to the zoo, more than over a year. Yeah, I am gonna try to see if I can come back here at some point. This is a night show. I'm gonna get some more information about this Rainforest Lumina. Yeah. Sure.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, that's me. Yeah. Did you see me? That was me on the screen. Yes, I have a membership. I think it makes more sense, especially since I like to sketch the parks. If you're interested, 4 parks for one price annually. Here we go, guys. Welcome to the Mandai Zoo. Okay, I don't know if that one's real and I'm not ready to find out. So this is around 10 a.m. Time check, 10:40 a.m. in the morning. It took me a while to get here. Many of the animals are probably taking their siesta now. They wake up a little bit earlier. So let's try to find some that are awake to sketch. The otters are definitely having their siesta because they're not here. I see a peacock over there ahead of me. Let's go say hi. Two of them. Hello. So I spent some time scouting out and also just double checking with the restaurants and the cafes here what time they close, especially if I'm deciding to stay until very late tonight for the Lumina show. The Orangutans, or if you have a slang, the Orangutans. Right next to the orangutan enclosure is this little hut where with glass panels where you can actually see the orangutans up close. I love this area because it gives me a chance to put my things down and maybe even make a sketch. I'm able to see skulls. That's really good for anatomy studies, and also a few of us know about this. There are bats in this area, fruit bats. And they're just right up there, hanging out. Yeah. Let's make a sketch right now, right here. And folks, that was my first ever gouache piece at the Singapore Zoo. Hope you liked that one. And if you like the content that I put out, remember to subscribe, like, if it's your first time here on this channel. Thank you so much for viewing, and all those who have been supporting me all this time. Thank you for your encouragement. Also, personally, I always come to this exhibit with a heavy heart. This giant orangutan is always seen just sad, not happy, and you sense that, you know. Yeah, whether she's missing her kids or just being lonely. Yeah, oh wow, giant tortoises, check that out. So in general, they say over here in this cute little diagram that there are three kinds: turtles, tortoises, and terrapins. Tortoises spend their time on land. They have big stumpy feet so that they can walk around. Terrapins are half and half. They can stay in the water, also on land, mostly in freshwater or brackish swamps. And turtles spend most of their time in the water. Hey everyone, taking a short break over here. Guess what I found? This thing, it's called the Okna Kirky. It's from Africa, otherwise known as the Mickey Mouse plant. So the blackberries together with the red sepals and the receptacle resembles the face of our beloved cartoon character, and that's why, hence, it's called the Mickey Mouse plant. I'm beginning to see all these, they look like LED light thingies, which kind of tells me that, hey, you know what? Maybe those things are going to be for the Rainforest Lumina show tonight. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed this sketching outing here at the Mandai area. Not just any old sketching, but sketching animals. Until the next one, guys and gals, do comment what animals you love to sketch. And if you are deciding on coming to Singapore, which of the theme parks or which of the animal parks you would love to visit. It is time to go, yes, but don't fret guys, because I'll be back. So tune in, and that's why you subscribe, right? So you get notified. Until the next one. Ciao ciao. Bye. Okay. Thank you. Good evening everyone. It is late at night here at the Singapore Zoological Gardens. I'm here for Rainforest Lumina. This show is in its 3rd edition and will end sometime in the last day of February 2022. Wow, there's the map. So now we see it really pretty. It's like Pirates of the Caribbean. Here we go. So guys and gals, I realized that for the night safari it's just gonna be like that and I won't be able to sketch. So if I do go to the night safari, no sketching at all. Yeah, because it's just too dark.